10,000 feet. At this time, you may now turn on your large portable electronic devices. Please make sure everything stays in game or airplane mode. Once again, we do have a Dish TV network has offered its free television. If you'd like to connect to Wi-Fi, it's $8 and movies are $5.
Baltimore, please ensure all passengers are seated. Seatbelts securely fastened. Seat backs and tray tables do need to be in the full upright and locked position. And all bags properly stowed either underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin, leaving the area around should be clear. Your flight attendants are coming through the cabin at this time to collect all service items. We recycle here at Southwest. If you have any cans, bottles, newspapers, go ahead and pass those to the center aisle. And also any large electronic devices you may be using at this time, those do need to be powered off and stowed as well. If you're using any small electronic, they can continue to be used, but only in airplane mode. Thank you.
gentlemen, we do have some connecting gate information. We are coming into gate Alpha 8, A8. We're going to Milwaukee, Bravo 7. We're going on AirTran flight to Atlanta, Charlie 12. We're going to Fort Lauderdale, Alpha 10. We're going to St. Louis, Alpha 1. We're going to Nashville, Bravo 14. We're going to Little Rock or Dallas, Alpha 10. We're going to West Palm Beach, Alpha 11. We're going to Denver, Alpha 4. We're going to Raleigh, Durham, Bravo 13. We're going to Columbus, Bravo 5. We're going to Kansas City, Alpha 4. We're going to Tampa, Bravo 11. We're going to Buffalo, Bravo 3. Cleveland, Alpha 2. And Louisville is Bravo 6. Assignments are subject to change based on operational needs. For the most up-to-date information, check your TV monitor inside the gate area.
Alright, where's my Southwest employees on their way to Dallas? Where are you guys at? Raise your hand. Come on, I know you're out there. Alright, see these guys right here? Turn around, look at their faces. They are on their way to Dallas. They are new employees. They're going to be throwing your bags. So if we ever lose your bags, remember their faces.
On behalf of Southwest Airlines and this flight crew, welcome to Baltimore. Please remain seated. All seatbelts fastened. Seat backs and tray tables in their full upright lock position. All carry-on items stowed right where they are. You may now turn on. Never mind, you got them on. Go ahead and switch them off to airplane mode and chat away. Once the captain comes to a screeching halt at the gate and turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please use caution when opening overhead vents. Items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. If you have a connecting flight here in Baltimore, deplane check the TV monitor for your correct flight and gate number. If you're going on with us to Orlando, lucky, lucky, lucky you, this is your aircraft, we are your crew. Please remain seated just a few extra minutes. Allow our local passengers to deplane. We need to get an accurate through count. It's very hard to count moving targets, so if you're going on to Orlando, have a seat, stay right where you are until we get you counted. Once we do, we'll make an announcement. You'll be able to move about, use the lab, help us clean the plane. Thanks for sharing part of your morning with us. Have a great rest of the Sunday. Have a good upcoming week. Come back again and see us. Welcome to Baltimore.